Do you know how to use the foam roller? Let's find out. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use the foam roll, and also I'm gonna explain and I'm gonna show a few mistakes that many people are making when they use it. Well, the first mistake that I see that many people are making is that they are using the foam roll not when they have to. Like, for example, before the workout, during the warm-up. As a warm-up, they use the foam roll. It is much better to do a warm-up by doing mobility exercises and dynamic stretches, and then workout, and then static stretches, and then after that is when we use the foam roll. So it is much better to use it at the end of it, okay? At the end of everything. Warm-up, training, static stretches, and then foam roll. The second mistake that many people are making is that they are not using the right foam roll, because every person is different and we have to find our foam roll, okay? I'm gonna show you this one, okay? This is more comfortable for beginners or people that haven't used a foam roll in the past. And also we have this one, okay? This is the one I'm using. It's a little bit stronger, it's harder, but when we're so used to this, we can use this foam roll, okay? I prefer this one and I like it. The third mistake that I'm seeing in many people is that they are not doing it right. Like, they are not doing short movements. They are doing it very long, okay? And that is not good, or for a very long time, like this. You see, it is wrong to do this, okay? Because you are doing movements very long. Like this, very long, okay? Another mistake that many people are making is that they are doing it very, very fast, like this. As if this was a competition. So, all the things that I've shown so far are wrong. So now, I'm gonna show you the right technique. Well, if you want me to make more videos, guys, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on, and also if you want me to make a specific video for you, let me know in the comments and I'll make it. Well, let's start. I have here the foam roll, and I'm gonna start with the lower back. For the lower back, you don't need to do it very long, just a little bit, okay? Very short movements for the lower back. So you don't have to do the whole back like this, just the lower back, a little bit. Short movements, okay? And also slow. Now upper back, like this, okay? I'm doing it for a very small period of time because I want to show you the technique, but for each muscle, you have to do it between 30 and 60 seconds, okay? Now I'm gonna go for glutes. It will be like this, okay? Slowly, okay? And short movements, okay? Quadriceps. Hamstrings. Short movements and slowly, okay? Calves. And then chest, okay? One side and then the other, so don't do it like overall at once, okay? Shoulders, okay? Biceps. Slowly as well, be careful, okay? This is not a competition, so we don't have to do it for like very fast, okay? And you don't have to be like over a minute, okay? Because if you do it very long, you can't even hurt the muscle, okay? So between 30 and 60 seconds. I'm doing it for a very small time, as I said, because it's just to show the technique and I don't want the video to last like 2 hours, okay? Triceps. Then we have forearm. Remember that we should start our session with mobility exercises and also dynamic stretches. Then we have our workout and then static stretches. And after all that is when we have to use the foam roll. If you use the foam roll for less than 30 seconds, you won't see many benefits. So the right time is between 30 and 60 seconds. Do short movements, okay, and slowly. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do making it for you. Follow me on social media, you have the links on the description of this video, and also I recommend you to watch this video. Thanks, guys, see you soon.